NewsRme. Consumer prices went up without warning in August, making the stock market tumble. The stock market fell on Tuesday after an inflation report showed higher than expected. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped more than 1,200 points, almost 4%. It was the worst day for the index since June 2020. The S&P 500, on which many 401(k)s are based, fell more than 4%, making it its worst day of 2022. The technology-focused Nasdaq fell more than 5%. Prices went up a little bit in August, according to inflation data released on Tuesday. This is bad news for U.S. households as the Federal Reserve gets ready to decide whether or not to raise interest rates again next week. The data make it hard to tell if inflation has reached its highest point. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Consumer Price Index went up 0.1% every month in August. This was a small increase from July when the index didn't change monthly. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, went up 8.3% over the past year in August, slightly less than the 8.5% rise in July. The price of gasoline was still a big bright spot in the CPI. In August, the gas price fell by 10.6%, a big drop. Aside from the energy sector, most prices went up. Food prices went up 0.8% each month, less than in July, but they are still very high. In August, prices for housing, new cars, and clothes all increased faster than they had the month before. The information comes a little more than a week before the Federal Reserve meets to decide what investors expect to be another increase in borrowing costs to fight inflation. In the past few months, the Fed has raised interest rates quickly to stop price increases by slowing the economy and cutting off demand. But this plan could send the U.S. economy into a recession and put millions of people out of work. The rate hikes seem to have slowed down important parts of the economy. For example, mortgage rates went up, and the building of new homes slowed down.